This video is about the communicable disease. According to the nature of causative organism, communicable disease classified as bacterial disease, viral disease, protozoan disease, helminthic disease, fungal disease. Diphtheria is an important childhood disease caused by Corynebacterium diphtheriae. Incubation period is 2 to 5 days. The symptoms are high fever, sore throat, difficulty in breathing from choking. The treatment is DPT vaccination, and erythromycin is the treatment of choice for diphtheria carriers. Pertussis, another name whooping cough. It is caused by Bordetella pertussis and the incubation period is 10 to 16 days. Next one, tuberculosis. Caused by Mycobacterium tuberculosis. Incubation period 2 to 12 weeks. Treatment BCG vaccination. BCG, Bacillus calmette-guerin. BCG vaccine was introduced by Albert Calmette and Camille Guerin. Dose 0.05 ml intradermal route. Cholera. Causative organism Vibrio cholerae. Incubation period 2 to 3 days. Symptom rice water stool. Treatment rehydration. Most important thing is to maintain water balance of the body. The salt which must be given are sodium, potassium chlorides and bicarbonates. Typhoid fever. Causative organism is Salmonella typhi. Incubation period 10 to 15 days. Treatment chloramphenicol. It is given in the dose of 500 mg 4th hourly till fever comes down. Next one, plague. Another name Black Death. Causative organism Yersinia pestis. The disease exists in two forms, wild plague in wild animals and domestic plague in man. Drugs used for the treatment of plague are streptomycin, chloromycin, kanamycin. Tetracycline is given for 10 days and is quite effective in plague. Next, tetanus, also called lockjaw, characterized by prolonged contraction of skeletal muscle fibers. Infection generally occurs to wound contamination. Treatment tetanus immunoglobulin. Next, communicable diseases caused by virus. First one, chickenpox. That is varicella. Causative organism varicella zoster virus. Incubation period 14 to 16 days. And there is a chance of secondary attack in 90% of cases. And in chickenpox, all types of rashes can see. Smallpox or variola, caused by smallpox virus. Incubation period is 12 days. Smallpox vaccination was introduced by Edward Jenner in England on 1796. Measles or rubeola, caused by paramyxovirus. It is an RNA virus transmitted through the discharge from nose and throat of sick person. Incubation period is 10 days. Important feature Koplik spot. Treatment antibiotics for complication and measles vaccination 9th and 15th month. Rubella or German measles. Causative organism is Toga virus. Incubation period 14 to 21 days. Infected person get lifelong immunity. Rubella attack in pregnant woman is serious, especially during first 3 months. It may cause defect in fetus. Poliomyelitis caused by RNA enterovirus, spread through intestinal discharge, contaminated food and water. It causes inflammation of nervous system and stiffness of neck. Incubation period is 7 to 14 days. Hepatitis A by picornavirus. Incubation period 20 to 35 days. Next, yellow fever. It is a hemorrhagic disease caused by flavivirus. It is an RNA virus. Transmitted by Aedes aegypti. Incubation period 3 to 6 days. Next, dengue fever caused by flavivirus. Transmission by female Aedes aegypti mosquito. Incubation period 2 to 15 days. Japanese encephalitis caused by flavivirus. Transmission by Culex mosquito. Incubation period 5 to 15 days. Rabies caused by Lyssa virus is a single-stranded RNA virus. Incubation period 2 to 3 months, may vary from 1 week to 1 year. Rabies vaccine was developed by Louis Pasteur in 1885.